So we got this situation. We have to integrate this part. So, so the point is, you know that we have to do integration. And if you'll observe this thing, you won't find any kind of replacements. Okay? And you also know that we used to use majorly substitution to solve these kind of questions, integration especially. Okay? So what we have to do, we will take x as sine square x. Okay, if I'll take x as sine square x, I can get rid of this square root. Okay, now let's do the differentiation. I'll be taking sine square theta. Okay, not x. Now differentiate with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, so you can find out the value of dx. Now let's do the substitution. So it is root over 1 minus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta, and in place of dx we can write 2 sine theta cos theta and then d theta, and we have x. So in place of x can we write sine square theta. Okay, so this is done. Now what we have to do, we have to get rid of this square root. Okay, so what we will do, I will go for rationalization. Okay, so 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta, I will be multiplying and divide by 1 minus sine theta. 1 minus sine theta. Okay, this one sine and one sine will get neutralized. Okay, and we will be left with 2 cos theta by sine theta d theta. Now you know that the denominator will become what? 1 minus 1 square 1 square minus sine square, which is cos square, and which is like I'll be writing 1 minus sine theta ka whole square upon cos square theta, correct na? And then 2 cos theta upon sine theta d theta. Now this cos square theta will come outside, will become cos theta, and this will be neutralized, and we will be left with 1 minus sine theta into 2. So 2 is a constant number, can be taken outside. So 1 by sine will become cosec theta minus 1 d theta. Now let's do the integration. So do you remember integration of cosec theta? So it is log cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay, and then we have to integrate 1. So integration of 1 is theta plus integration constant c. Okay, now you know that they have asked question in terms of x, not in theta. So you have to replace theta with root over, means you will be using this thing. So it is sine inverse root x. So can we write this thing as log cosec sine inverse root x minus cot sine inverse root x minus, this thing will be in the bracket, and then we will be having sine inverse root x plus integration constant c. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you can handle similar situations.